Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today's another vlog. I did get my official move-in date, which is going to be October 13th, which is a week from today. I think when this video is going to go live, it's going to be in a couple of days, but my official move-in date, or the day I get the keys, is October 13th, which is next Monday. So for this week, I am going to be getting out orders. I do have a few orders I have to get out today. I had to place another Jiffy order. And then the rest of those orders should be finished by Wednesday unless I get new orders. Again, if you have placed an order with me, I truly appreciate it. Let me see what else. I think that's about it for today. I'm just going to be taking care of orders, and I do have to get ready for my live. I'm going live tonight. I'm going to be using the new Siser Easy Puff, and Atlanta Vinyl did sponsor a giveaway. So this is the giveaway here. It is a all colors bundle, but I'm going to be basically getting ready for my live. I have to create this file to go ahead and do my live tonight. So I got to get some orders out. I have to get ready for my live, and I'm going to finish packing. Well, not finish, but continue packing. I do have to get this whole area basically done still. I have a week before I get the keys. I can start moving in on October 13th. I anticipate being done moving by the end of next week. Hopefully by the end of Friday, I'll have everything from this office in the new office. So next week's vlog will be like a moving day vlog. I'll be moving from this suite to the next suite. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Orders and packing.
All right, hey guys, so today is Friday night. I'm normally not here on Friday nights. However, I do have an order I wanted to get done tonight so I can get it in the mail tomorrow morning. This is for a custom order. A young lady saw my content on Instagram and she wanted an applique design with just her business name versus like the ZODIAC signs that I was doing. She wanted that same process but with her business name instead. So that is what I'm doing. I did already create the file. What I'm about to do now is go ahead and test stitch it first, just to make sure that it's the way it needs to be. And then if it is, I'm going to go ahead and stitch it onto the sweatshirt for her and get that packaged up so I can put it in the mail tomorrow morning. If you guys are interested in like more customized designs, just send me a message, send me an email. I'll try to remember to put my email on the screen, but yeah, send me an email or send me a DM on Instagram and we can definitely talk about it. I am taking a few custom orders, or even if you place an order on Etsy, my ZODIAC sweatshirts are listed on Etsy as well. If you put under the personalization, you have to type out your sign that you want, but if you want something customized, like I said, just send me a message and then we can definitely talk about it and see if it's something I can do for you. So I do take some custom orders, not a whole lot, but yeah, so that's what I'm working on today, is this custom order. Other than that, I don't have too much. The office is pretty much packed up, you guys. This whole side of the office is now full of stuff. Most of my embroidery area is taken down. So I made a lot of progress. For the most part now, it's going to be just kind of getting everything out of here. Monday Xavier does not have school, so I plan on, hopefully if I can get my keys like first thing in the morning, that would be the best, so that I can utilize Xavier not having school and having him help me get like all of the smaller stuff out of here. For the bigger stuff, like some of my furniture and obviously my embroidery machine, I'm probably gonna go ahead and hire movers to come move it for me. But yeah, hopefully I can get my keys early in the morning on Monday so that I can start moving pretty much first thing in the morning, hopefully. But yeah, today I'm just gonna be wrapping up all of my orders for this week, getting them packaged up and set to go. But yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. All right, y'all, so all of this was an epic fail. Y'all, I got Patrice in my ear. She's doing her the cereal crafter thing and I was trying to help her, so I got her in my ear. But this y'all, this was an epic fail. I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board. I did my test stitch and I thought that it was okay, and then when I went to go do the actual sweatshirt, it just started looking really sloppy to me. I'm not really sure why. And then like you can see a lot of the neon glitter, because her colors that she picked were neon glitter, neon pink, and purple stitches, and this just looks super sloppy to me. I do not like this at all. So, and I'm pretty sure it's my file, so I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board and try this again, because yeah, this looks so sloppy to me. And it's the satin stitch. It's something weird about it. I don't really, can't really put my finger on what it is. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to go fix my file, and then like it looks weird on the back too. Maybe it was my tension. I'm not sure. It might have been my tension. It might have been a mix between my tension and, oh, you know what? I think my tension might have been too loose now that I'm looking at it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board, try to fix this file. It's Friday night. I'll probably tomorrow, Saturday, fix this file, and I might come back up here Saturday evening to try to do this again, because this looks crazy to me and I'm not sending this to her. But that's all I have for this vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and going on this journey with me again. Hopefully I get my keys Monday morning so I can start moving. I'm ready to start putting everything back together. I'm like boxing things up, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I need that, and then taking it out the box, putting it back in the box, taking it out the box. So hopefully next week when I get into my office, I can get into my office next week, get everything set up, and within the next 2 or 3 weeks, well, I'll be at Blinkfest at the end of October, so maybe 3.5, 4 weeks, I'll be completely unpacked in my new office and, you know, back to doing what I gotta do. That's all I have for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hype. Until next time, peace.